Okay, we're on geometry section 9.3, and we are going to talk about arcs and angles. So C81 tells us that the measure of an angle inscribed in a circle is 1/2 the measure of the intercepted arc. All right, let's see if we can demonstrate what that means. So an inscribed angle is where the vertex of the angle is on the circle. And remember, when we talk about an intercepted arc, I want to look at where the endpoints of this angle are. This right here is the intercepted arc. And remember when we talked about that this arc and this central angle are the same? These are the same. This is half of that. So it's also half of its central angle. So let's say that this intercepted arc is, I don't know, looks like about 100 degrees. Then this would be 50. Okay, this is the inscribed angle, intercepted arc, and the central angle. C82 tells us that angles inscribed in a semicircle are right angles. So if the endpoints of an inscribed angle lie on the ends of a diameter, then these inscribed angles are always going to be 90 degrees. C83 tells us that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Anytime you see this, it means circular. So a cyclic quadrilateral just means a four-sided figure whose vertices all lie on the circle. And so this conjecture is telling us that the opposite angles are supplementary. So A plus C equals 180 and B plus D equals 180. C85 tells us that parallel lines intercept congruent arcs on a circle. So if these aren't really parallel lines, they're parallel segments, parallel chords, but you'll get the gist here. So if these are parallel, then this angle or this arc is congruent to this one. Remember, that's how we denote arcs. By the way, I'm not even sure we've ever talked about this, but a line that goes through the circle, intercepts the circle in two spots, is called a secant. It says here that on 9.4 proofs that we're going to do those in class, we're just going to skip those altogether. So just put a big old X through 9.4 because we're not doing it.